Hi, my name is Destanee O'Neil, and I am one of the Student Resource Center coordinators at Raiders Cove. And if you need help during this time, you should contact 211. 211 is a team of local experts and highly trained specialists that are available 24/7 to help you access the best local resources and services to address any needs. Call your local 211 or visit 211.org to speak with the community resource specialist in your area who will help you find resources available to you. You can find help with supplemental food and nutrition programs, shelter, housing, and utility assistance, emergency information and disaster relief, employment and education opportunities, services for veterans, healthcare, vaccination and rehabilitation programs, reentry help for ex-offenders, support groups for individuals with mental illnesses or special needs, and a safe, confidential path out of physical and emotional domestic abuse. Again, 211 is committed to being the first, most essential resource to anyone who needs help. So call 211 today.